We got the property, so now it's time to get in. We haven't seen the inside of it, so we want to know what's in there. If it's good shape, bad shape, mold, no mold, water damage, we don't know. We got to find out. So we're going to break in. We don't have the keys. Part of the auction process, they go through everything else to take your money, but they don't give you the keys. So it's up to you to get in. And here's our attempt here. Watching YouTube videos, they came up with this little plastic, I don't know what it is, to try to go through the lockbox key. So this is me trying. Sharon's got the camera and filming me go through this. So what I seen on YouTube, this should be a cinch. I should go through this like a hot knife on butter, get inside and see what the properties look like, make an assessment, and start working up my budget for renovation and remodel. So let's see how this goes. At this point, standing for about a half an hour, I call it quits. So I went and got a stool to sit on, and I came back to attack this thing, thinking that it's hard to do two things at the same time, stand and try to pick a lock. So at least I'm sitting down and picking a lock. Maybe I'll have better success, hopefully. Did it move? Nope, I guess not. After sitting on a stool and playing around with this lock for half an hour, it still didn't work. So I came back the next day to try it again. That didn't help either. So I did like any other person did. I found out how to pick this lock using a credit card.
So all the way trying, I kept saying,
I spent over an hour trying to open up this door. And what did he do?
Yeah, I hope I made you proud there.
What?
Hey, I made a good movie for you.
Hey, I cannot tell you. I tried that. I watched YouTube. I tried the little make your own little picks and stuff like that. With the, but I didn't try the lock. I tried the lock box. Oh, we're in.
Quick movie.
That was a quick movie.
Yeah.
Well, goodbye, Mr. Locksmith. Thank you very much. I should have called you at first. Finally getting in, so the first thing we got to do is change all the locks. So we got 2 locks on the front door, a handle and a deadbolt, and we have one in the patio door, one in the utility door going to the garage, and we should be done. Luckily, at least I bought my locks ahead of time. After we finish the lock replacements, I'll give you a full tour of the unit. I'm not nervous, I'm just chewing gum in fast motion. Amateur tip, don't chew gum while recording. I have to make a correction. I talked about the front door, the patio door, and the back utility door to the garage. But I forgot there are 2 more locks on the front storm door. So I got to do those also. They're coming up next. Oh yeah, let's put this baby in fast motion. Triple speed, quadruple speed, let's do it. This is crap. This is not working. Well, they had one more idea, so let me try that. Let's see. Well, let's try this one more time. Maybe one. Oh! Nope. Did it open? Nope.
Maybe you hold it.
One more. Nope. One more. Nope. This is crap. Oh, let me see.
See if it's loose, because it looks like it's loose.
There's another technique, which is kind of brute force. A hammer and a pry bar. Let's see if this works. 1. Nope, that didn't work either. Let's try it again. 2. Ooh, oh,
Always said one more.
what they say?
Maybe she was in.
Price is right. One more time.
Right?
They always said one more.
Just one more time. Oh, oh.
Out.
Holy currency! It opened.
So they said the double tap worked. The double tap worked. That's not yours. What about that over there? What is that? Well, you know you're gonna keep that, right? Yeah. Turn it off now. I'm still recording.
Sharon's having problems inserting the key into the lock.
I got it. One lock or what?
Unlock it.
Unlock it.